Hello everyone, I am Gabby. Gab, first time to the beach. It's Gabby's first time to go out.
I've got some things that I need to say to you. The truth is I'm a fan of all the things you do, yeah. Just like how you sign my chest, I feel like I can't lose. 10 out of 10, you turn my gray skies blue. You know just what to say to make everything okay. How do you do it? Make me feel like I want a commitment. Pulling me close, I can't refuse it. Trying to keep you under my skin. My patience is running dry.
Look at me, look at me, look at me. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Hey yo, love. Hey yo.
Kaya ko to. Okay na. Baby,
Ayan.
stroller na iwan sa car muna.
I love you. Hey, come here, love. You're my baby. Oh. Hello, love. How's my baby? Look at your chair. We brought your chair. Are you excited? You are excited, love. Are you excited, mommy? We love you, Gabby. What's this? This will be Gabby's area. We bought your pillow. We will put this here. Where are you? This is going to be your home for the weekend. Are you excited? You say thank you, Ninong Mike. Thank you. Say thank you. Hello everyone, I am Gabby. Yes. Oh. Yeah. Say quick, 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 quick. Yay! Ha ha ha! Thank you, Daddy, for bringing our things.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you. Gab is happy. Don't get bored. Baby, don't get bored. I'm here to talk to you. Can I stay with you, Gabby? Hey! Heart. Heart. Say mama. Hey, yo.
Hello.
Hey, Garbs. Hey, Gabby. I'm so excited for you, love.
First time sa nature ni Newlyweds. Hello, friends.
It's okay.
Diane.
Hello po.
Rochelle.
Hello.
Rochelle.
Hello.
Daika. Hello, guys.
It's Gabby's first time to
Liza.
go out. Are you happy now?
I think
Wow.
we're in the same spot kanino nung you can borrow. Are there diapers here? It's amenable.
Lola.
Hi!
Pero sa'yo ba yan, Riz, yung buhok?
Actually sa akin daw to eh. Kasi long hair daw ako nung pinanganak. Long hair! Welcome to the beach, Gabby Gabs!
Enjoy ka?
Oh. Ay, saan ba? Hello, cutie pie! Wow!
How are you, Gabby?
Kaway! Say hi! The mommies and to the ninongs.
And to the tatay. Whole na po ako sa camera work. Ang dakilang mami. Kailan kayo dyan? Tingin sa camera.
Siguro ang lakasan ng braso mo, Riza.
Yung legs.
Let's go.
Yes. Aircon girl.
Ano, nung wala ng araw, okay na siya.
I love you, Bobby Cubs. I love you both.
What? What? Oh.
Hi.
Aral ka na.
Hi, Gab. So open this and see if it fits you. Dad, can you try? Okay, Dad, do it.
Yeah.
Hello.
This is fun. Saya.
Bye ka na dyan forever. Char.
Ang saya.
My little baby.
Nearly done. Saan ka muna? Your neck floater is about to be done.
Wow.
Wait for it ha. Baka 5 minutes na or so. Or maybe a few more. From scratch. So, deflated tapos wait lang ang gabi.
Dapat ganun lang? Parang...
Yes, I think so.
Such a cutie pie, Dad.
Weirdly, nagla-lock on dun sa parang mouth chin area.
talaga?
Kinda. Ayaw mo yan, Gab-Gab.
And we launch. Enjoying?
We have Ninong Mike in the background.
I'm here. I'm here. There's the baby.
Yay! Like, nasa cheeks.
Uy, ang taas.
Buti na nga lang may cheeks eh. Hi bata!
Nakabuhat naman ako.
Lutang-lutang you.
Hello, everyone.
Hi guys! Hi Gabi Gabs!
Yan saan?
Ito, I'm standing up.
So they're gonna not be okay.
That's Micah.
Michael is drowning at the 6 feet end, which is this round area. Try mo nga, try mo.
I don't trust you.
Hi Gabs! Happy? Question mark.
Happy?
Question mark.
Pero may ano, parang support.
Oh, hello, everyone.
Enjoy.
Pero di pala
This is my first time. Kasi yung mukha niya nagkay-water.
Oh, nabasa. Towel. There you go. Hi, Bulilit. Happy?
Happy. Okay.
Cutie pie.
Oh man.
Oh, nababasa ang kit.
diver yan.
Mermaid, Little Mermaid.
Blood. Wow.
Ito na, tita. Getting there.
Ay.
Hey!
Oh, magsi 6 feet na to.
Yun na.
Fairness, di siya umiiyak ka pag binibitaw.
Actually.
Actually, gusto niya.
Scared to cry eh.
Bubbles! Lalang.
Oh, ba? Dayan. Ada lang talaga siya. Hindi
maybe it's not your response.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sige nga. 30 seconds.
sige, go.
Or magagalit si Rizzo.
Is that just her now?
Yeah, this is just her. This is just her.
Oh,
I bet tita na yan.
she's got it.
Ang cute na. Gusto niya nang hawakan. No?
Okay. Oh, hey! Oh.
Dito naman. It's okay.
Yay!
Parang siyang buoy eh, no?
Cute! Lamang dagat.
Wow, such a wonder.
Yay! Go, Daddy!
So proud. O sige, so 1 year old niya.
1 year nagdadive na siya.
Tayong dagat. Dito tayo, love.
Talaga ba?
Cutie pie. Hindi ko pa rin alam kung nag-enjoy siya actually.
Siyempre, ikaw yan nag-enjoy.
Hindi lang makangiti kasi parang I can't smile. My face is squished.
Mga ganyan dun sa chicks na.
Tingin sa sa'yo. That's your mother. I'm your father.
I'm your father, by the way.
Hello!
Hi!
Naglalaro na loud.
Roommates with Zach. Nagpanik siya. Ginagano niya si Lee.
Okay.
Sino si Zach Pizza?
I haven't met yet.
Anak ni Tita Pia.
Yes, panganay niya.
Beyblade!
Hey!
Tingin siya sa camera eh.
She's actually looking at me. Okay.
Wow!
Cute, cute. Tingin dito.
Tingin ka daw dun.
So nagpapaddle siya, no?
Yeah.
Natural.
Kita nga through the camera sa water. Gabby Gabs! Look here.
Happy you enjoyed, love. Uy, kuka dun.
Alam mo, hindi ako rin talaga.
Long way.
Low.
Hey, love.
I'm downsizing.
Sorry.
The sun just keeps shining. It all just keeps growing. In due time, we'll be fine. We'll be fine in due time. You don't never know what the future holds. If the past is in control, you gotta learn to let it go. You'll be fine. You'll be fine in due time. It may not be your day. You may think it's too late, but listen to me when I say you can't be defined by your mistakes. You might be in your own way, too tied to the mundane. But listen to me when I say you can't let your life go to waste. In due time, you'll be fine. You'll be fine in due time. In due time, we'll be fine. We'll be fine in due time. Water keeps rising, the thunder keeps rolling, the sun just keeps shining, it all just keeps going. In due time, we'll be fine. We'll be fine in due time. Water keeps rising, the thunder keeps rolling, the sun just keeps shining, it all.
Kaway ka, Gab-Gab.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Hello!
Hi! Ow! Say hi to the camera, Gabby Gab.
Yay!
Tingin ka
Gabby!
At the beach!
Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
Swim ka na dun.
Uy, uy.
Aren't you a giant small thing, a tremble in the clouds, trying to chase the wind like a fleeting shroud, longing for change, fighting for legends, longing for change, fighting for legends.
3, 2, 1. Go! He likes it. Hey, you love it, Gab? It's like wee-wee, no? Wow! One more, one more, one more. Ay, ang taas. Oh, let's go here. There's another wave. Wow! Ayo! Oh! Yay! Yeah!
Feel the sun, Gabby.
You like it? Ah! Yeah! Wow!
Hello, mami. Hello, dagat. Hello, people.
Turn around. Turn around.
Turning, sorry.
No.
Such a bait, Tito Mike. Nagpunas ng feet ang bebe na ito.
Yun na susunod ng tapong.
Introducing a new element in 3. Ready? 3, 2, ay! Hindi huwag yung pacifier, ibang element yan. A new element in 3, 2, 1, go, go, go! Yay!
Uy, nakakalakad na.
Wow, milagro!
Mommy, bitaw!
One step.
Ang cute, pumapasok na din.
Yay!
Such cuteness. Gab? Gab, Gab!
Gabi!
Look here, Gabi Gabs!
Wow!
Oh. You're a sand baby na.
Okay, mangangati na tayo. Charot.
Okay, out na tayo!
Out.
Element, stone. Tituan.
Go.
Go, Gabi Gabs!
Wow.
Yay!
3, 2, 1.
Yay! Gab, you're stepping already on the stone. Happy ba? Nice? Nice yan? Nice? Nice? Nice?
Ipasok sa stand
Woo!
dito.
Ipasok sa butas!
Okay, mag-wash na ng feet.
Washing feet. Sing a new element, grass. Ready na?
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Hey! Oh, you also like grass, baby.
Ayaw yung paa niya.
Ayaw niya. Hikli kasi, no?
Oy, nagpapadyak pa, oo. Oh, walang tulo pa ng laway. You like the grass? Going tayo closer.
Wow.
Ang cute! You're now a nature lover,
Okay.
bata. Yay!
Ako naman na magti-3, 2, 1.
Okay, tatayo in 3, 2, 1. Nice.
Lagyan pa natin siya ng ring.
Oh. Ayan na. Hi, Gabi Gab.
Ayun naman.
Baka mas okay to babe. Baka kaya kahapon hindi siya makapagpahinga ng maayos.
Mayhaps. Hi, bata.
Bigay lang.
Yung bata.
Isan.
Kaya po, Char.
Ang galing, ang bait din na feel niya.
Gabi.
Ang cute, ang galing. Parang ano siya. Ito?
Ito ko. Hi, love.
Ikot-ikot.
Hindi siya nagtatawan to. Ba't di sa umaga?
Hindi nyo sure yung part na yun.
Pupop na pala yung napayachi.
Iaangat na natin.
Yung bubbles, kanya yan. Grabe.
Sarap.
Secret na lang natin.
Sarap.
Plok, 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 plok.
Enjoy ka.
Para siya nakikipag-ano.
Gusto mo yan?
Friends na tayo.
Enjoy yarn.
Si Gabi Annie.
Ano, Gab?
Lagi mo nito. Hello everyone! It's Gabi's first tuning out.
First.
First weekend. Chill lang si Gabi. Okay.
Swimmy, si bata.
Sini, yan.
Sa malalim naman, charot.
Oh, ganyan na.
6 feet naman. Bitaw tayo kay Bulilit. Oh! Nag-choreo ah.
Hello.
Bigyan mo ba?
Medyo kaya niya nga, tinan mo.
Ang cute, nag-kick siya, oh.
Parang hindi mawawala si Sika.
Beyblade.
Beyblade.
Bye-bye.
Sobrang chill niya.
Sabay nasa malalim na ako nalagay.
Na-board na siya sa mababaw.
Nakalimutan mo.
Nakalila
Yung phone na.
Okay, thank you.
Bless you, Gabi.